Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would talk about these lip balms. These are the Hurraw lip balms. They are not very known in Malaysia when it comes to lip balms wise, but I think overseas in like the States or in Europe or even in UK, I think these are quite popular there. And these are popular because they are supposed to be like natural or not really organic. Are they organic? They have like the bunny sign here, so which means they're like vegan, is it? Certified vegan from organic agriculture, 80% organic. It's 80% organic. I think I will consider this somewhat organic. And people say that this is like a very nice natural lip balm, because normally if you have like natural lip balms that people do themselves or make themselves, sometimes their lip balms are not stable enough. They melt very easily. You just put it in, especially the weather in Malaysia, it's so hot. When you put it outside, right, just leave it in your car, it will melt for sure. This one is supposed to be very stable. I never really leave any lip balms in the car. It doesn't make sense. I'd rather just put it in my bag and bring it out with me. That's just how I feel. I don't know if this will melt in the car or not, but so far, comparatively to other like natural lip balms that I have before, these are very stable. The consistency of this stay hard and firm long. It doesn't overly melt. Like some of them just overly melt and it becomes like very oily, and it just get all over the place and it mess up the whole like stick and stuff like that. So these are not those kind, and I really appreciate that. I really enjoy using this. I had this for quite a while now. I'm actually quite surprised that this took me a while to even talk about this, because I think in the beginning I wasn't enjoying this that much, because I think I had way higher expectation for this than I thought. I found out about Hurraw. This brand is also from YouTube, and some of the other YouTubers use it, and I think it looked gorgeous on your lips, specifically this black cherry tinted lip balm. I think they just naturally have very nice deeper red type of lips, and very like that kind of Instagram looking lips that's very beautiful. But I don't. I just have very normal lips. I do not have beautiful Instagram friendly type of lips, and also my lips are very pale. I was hoping that this would be a little bit more tinted than I thought it would, but it wasn't very tinted as what I hoped it would be. So that's why it was a little bit of a letdown. But I have to say that this Hurraw black cherry tinted lip balm, I do really enjoy the smell. The scent of this is amazing. Oh my gosh, it really smells so good. Really I love using this once I've got over the whole like, yeah, the color is not up to standard kind of thing. But other than that, the lip balm is great. It keeps your lips very moist, and it hydrates your lips long, and it's safe to use. That's the good part. Very happy to have found these, because lipstick or whatever lip product, when we put on our lips, we tend to do this a lot. Literally, we do this a lot. We tend to eat our lipstick, we tend to eat our lip products, and that's very normal, very common. When it comes to lip balm specifically, if I can, I want to try to, find something that is safer to use. I understand that sometimes there are some ingredients that you need to put in, but I'm trying to find more of a natural route when it comes to lip balm if I can. Even skincare, I know some things sometimes is still necessary to put in some of the chemicals in there just so that it works better for the skin, but if I can, I'll try to go into the natural side. So that's why I bought this, and I went and hunt for this. In Malaysia, it's actually not very hard to find. It's hard to find in the drugstore itself. I don't think the common drugstore like Guardian, Watson actually do sells this. This one I found it online, and it's actually pretty easy to get them online. I think they have an official store on Shopee, and they also sell them on Hurraw, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember, but some pretty prominent online store, they actually do sell them there. And Malaysia also, they do have their own Facebook site, but I kind of contacted them just to ask if I can get in elsewhere. There's no reply from them. Nope. But they do sell them on their Facebook also, so if you're interested, you can get it there. I would say for a lip balm, it is a little bit on the higher, I mean, not super expensive like Chanel, Dior kind of lip balms. They are a little bit more expensive than the regular pharmacy price comparatively to like Nivea or whatever. This is probably double digit, probably around like, I forgot how much. I'm gonna write it in the description box below, but I totally forgot how much, but I believe it's more than 10 ringgit. So it is a little bit pricier, but I think for like the ingredients, this is actually worth the investment lah. And I use lip balms a lot. I use chapstick a lot. I did thought about wanting to buy the entire like range, or more, not really entire, more like more flavors just to try them out, but to be honest, it's really not necessary. The clear one that I got is the Grapefruit Lip Balm, and the reason why I got grapefruit is because I have been pretty into like orange, citrus, grapefruit type of fragrance. I have this particular one by Atelier Cologne, and I really love their citrus and grapefruit I think combination of fragrance. Because of that, and ever since that, I have been into grapefruit and oranges quite a lot when it comes to fragrance wise, so that's why I thought I would try the grapefruit one out. But this was a little bit more of a letdown than the black cherry one. Okay, the black cherry one, if you know how some cough mixture smells like the liquid cough mixture, yeah, this smells like that, and I do enjoy that scent. Okay, if you don't like that cough syrupy kind of scent, that cherry scent, then you probably will not like this, but I like that cough syrup kind of scent, so that's why I love this so much. Okay, but a grapefruit one was really a letdown. I feel like it smells more like very cheap type of candy. I feel it's not as citrusy as I hope it would. It has that very slight faint grapefruit, but you really have to get your nose into it and smell it and really identify it. Then only you can actually find the grapefruit in here. Like by a whiff like that, for me it smells like a little bit of a chocolatey like milk chocolate kind of scent, which I don't really enjoy. I prefer dark chocolate. That's just how I like my chocolate. But it just smells like cheap milk chocolate gummies kind of scent. But I still use this quite a bit. I leave this on my vanity, especially when I'm working or editing videos or just whatever. I still use this at home quite a bit, and it's really clear. Show you guys. It gives like a really nice shine. It doesn't like over melt on your lips, just like what I said earlier on, but it does apply on really easily, really smoothly, really nicely, and it leaves like a very nice layer of balm and glossy looking on your lips. Really protects and moisturizes the lips, and I just enjoy the formula of this. It's just that I think the scent wise, when it comes to grapefruit, it's not up to my alley, not up to my standard, or not up to my expectation of grapefruit scent that I had in mind basically. But formula wise, it's still amazing. I think if I were to buy another lip balm, it will definitely be from Hurraw, because it's just safe and it's just more organic, and it's just healthier to be licked if I were to eat my lip balms or lip products basically. And of course, the shape of this, I absolutely love the shape of this. I like the oval shape with a little bit more of a tapered end on both ends, so this will fit a lot of lips better rather than just a round one. I mean, I don't really have an issue with the round shaped lip balm as well, but I do like the shape of this. It's very easy to hold, very nice, very sleek. I love the packaging of this. Plastic feels like a good plastic. Love that you can rotate up and down, and it seems like there's quite a lot of products in here. This is 4.8 grams. I have these two for a couple of months now, and I don't think I make too much of a dent. Let me check. Oh yeah, I use quite a bit actually. Yeah, I actually use quite a bit, but it still feels like I have a lot. Let me show you the other one, the black cherry one. Oh, this smells so good, like cough syrup. If you don't like cough syrup, you wouldn't like this, but I love it. I can see it's not super pigmented, but it does just give you that very slight hint of red, I guess. It just makes your lips looking a little bit healthier, especially for people like me when I have pale lips. Even though it doesn't do much, but it still does something, just makes my lips a little bit more healthy rather than super pale. It really looks like I've probably eaten a bunch of cherries, okay, and just swipe the cherries on my lips basically. This balm one basically is literally clear, there's nothing on it. So yeah, overall, I think if you are just looking for any sort of lip balm, whether or not it's tinted or not, I still do really highly recommend these Hurraw lip balms, because I just like them. Like, there's just so many. I have so many lip balms around, okay, and I think before I found this, I was just craving for something that is safer to use, and I am super glad that I found these Hurraw lip balms, and I don't think I'll be purchasing any more. I just feel like, unless you're the type of person where you go out to work and stuff like that. The thing is, I don't go out to work. I work from home, or I mean, I lost my job right now, but I mean, I do stuff from home, like do YouTube and stuff like that. So I don't really go out that often. Plus, it's also because it's the virus season. We are all pretty much contained at home. We are all pretty much forced to be at home. I don't have an issue with that. I like staying at home. I don't really enjoy going out too much. Because of that, I don't really need too many lip balms. I probably only need one that's just a little bit more tinted so that I can bring it out with me, and the other one that's more for like nighttime if I use this before I go to bed and stuff like that. I will link it in the description box below of where I found it. That's pretty much it for this video. I just want to show you guys the lip balms that I have. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!